Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to split RAR files into parts on Windows so you can easily manage large files. Now let's get started. Step 1. Locate the file or folder you want to compress and right-click on it. This opens the context menu, which gives you access to all compression and file management options. On Windows 11, you might need to click Show More Options first to see the full menu. Step 2. From the context menu, select Add to Archive, which opens the WinRAR settings window. This window allows you to customize the archive, choose the format, and set how your files will be split. Choosing the right settings ensures your large file is divided correctly. Step 3. In the General tab of the WinRAR window, find the box labeled Split to Volumes. Size. Here you can type a custom size for each part, like 100 MB, or select a preset from the drop-down, such as the size of a standard DVD. This step is important because it determines how your large file will be broken into smaller, manageable pieces. Step 4. Make sure the archive format is set to RAR to maintain compatibility and support for splitting. The RAR format is ideal for creating multi-part archives that can be easily reassembled later. Step 5. Click OK, and WinRAR will start creating the split files, naming them Archive Part 1.rar, Archive Part 2.rar, and so on. After the process is complete, you'll have separate RAR files that are easier to store, share, or transfer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.